everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do a unboxing, as you can tell in the title, on what I have gotten. So let me go ahead and show you. It came in this box here, or this bag, Louis Vuitton bag. Here's the receipt. And this is how they wrapped it here. So it comes with this little ribbon. Let me go ahead and open it. I'm really excited with this piece. I don't have one right now, so I'm just really excited to get it. And here it is. It is a bag charm, and it's a tiny one for Alma BB. And I wanted something simple like this. I didn't want a bunch of little charms hanging off of it. I used to have one, and it had the big LV, and it had 2 flowers hanging, and it just made so much noise when I would be walking down the hallway at my work, or when I'm at the store, and then I would turn and it would hit things. I mean, I had to end up selling it. It was just it just made way too much noise. So I've been looking for something a little bit more simple, just like this, something that wouldn't make as much noise, and I thought this was just a perfect little piece. Right here it says Louis Vuitton on the hardware. I don't know if you can see that. And right back here as well, it's a monogram piece on top of a pink leather. It's such a pretty pink color. And also it says Louis Vuitton right here on the hardware as well. I don't know if you can see it. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on my purse. This is the one I'm currently carrying, so this is a big purse. I don't know how it's going to look on my purse here. I think that looks so cute. I love it. It's just a little bit of something on my purse. Just a little bit to add on my purse. I can either put it there, or I can put it here. I think that is so cute. It's not big and flashy. It's just a little something. Or I can put it right there. I thought that was really, really cute. I do want another piece that I seen online. It's a brand new one. It just popped up not that long ago, and I would love it. It's like a little ring with little flowers on it. So let me show you what it looks like on. So look at that. I thought that was cute. It just adds so much. Just a little bit of something. So I thought that was cute. Let me show you what it looks like on my Alma. I don't know how it's going to look because it is a black Alma, and it has a silver hardware on the purse, but that's how this looks. And I thought that was cute. It just adds a little bit of something onto my Alma. I do want to get a silver hardware, with the silver hardware on the charm, just so it'll match my Alma BB, but I don't know. I think it still looks good. And then let me show you how this little charm looks like on my Itty Bitty Speedy. Oh my god, that looks so cute. I love it. I absolutely love this. So I would be wearing it like this. And I can also add my pom-poms on top of this and carry 2 charms as well. So, isn't that adorable? I love it. I love it so much. So anyways, this is a short video. I just wanted to show you my beautiful charm that I got. And let me show you my outfit of the day. I am wearing, this is a really pretty top. This is from Buckle. I maybe got it a month ago, and I know they still have it. It's very pretty and ties here. It's a little bit lower here, so I'm wearing this lace piece here, which matches the embroidery on here. I love it. And I'm wearing some shorts, and I'm wearing camo flip-flops. And I love, love, love this outfit. It makes me feel good. It's pretty, it's light. As you know, in Texas, it gets so, so hot. So this is a perfect outfit. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and have a wonderful day. God bless you.